For the following marine locations: Cuyahoga, Huron, Lorraine and Medina, and Ava Point to Willowick. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 474, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Huron, Lorraine and Medina, and Ava Point to Willowick. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 474 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Huron, Lorraine and Medina, and Ava Point to Willowick. The nearshore marine forecast. This is NOAA weather radio. Shelby, Washington, Chatfield, Greenwich, Attica, Benton, Shiloh, North Fairfield, Cairo, and Sulphur Springs. The storm may intensify. Northern Crawford and southeastern Seneca counties until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Chatfield, Oregon, 7 miles north of Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station WNG 698 from Grafton on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. Superior with a trailing cold front for eastern North Fairfield, Cairo, and Sulphur Springs. The storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, northeastern Crawford County, southeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Willard, Oregon, 17 miles southwest of Norwalk, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Norwalk, Willard, New London, Plymouth, Wakeman, New Washington, Greenwich, Attica, and North Fairfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Huron, and Seneca. This is NOAA Weather Radio KE. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from the islands Ohio to Geneva on the Lake, Ohio, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of strong thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles northwest of Fairport Harbor to 8 nautical miles northeast of Avon Point to 7 nautical miles south of western Vermilion, moving northeast at 35 knots. Additional storms were located to the west of the main line. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Huron, western Vermilion, Fairport Harbor, Vermilion, Avon Point, Lorraine Harbor, and Willowick. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is NOAA weather. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Western Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lorain to near Wellington, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Grafton, Wellington, North Olmsted, Avon, Parma Heights, Rocky River, and Broadview Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, and Medina.
What the hell?
The nearshore marine forecast. Information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. The urgent... Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Limerick, Ohio to Ripley, New York until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of strong thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles northwest of Ashtabula to New Willowwick, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Geneva-on-the-Lake, Erie, Conneaut, and Ashtabula. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania. This is no weather. Rain 70%. Sunday, partly cloudy in the morning.
Located along the line extending from 8 miles northwest of Lake Line to Strongsville.
Let's go. I'll film it.
15 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the low 60s.
I know.
North winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming southeast after midnight. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Tuesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. High in the lower 80s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy in the area, and mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 50%. The forecast for the East Lake Shore County is still severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah. Subway parking lot.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Ohio, Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Lake Line to Strongsville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Good view over there.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Painesville, Willowwick, Chardon, Fairport Harbor, Geneva-on-the-Lake, Parma, Lakewood,
I might have got a little bit of it on here.
Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, North Royalton, Solon, Willoughby, Twinsburg, Eastlake,
Lightning
Lawrenceville
straight
Heights,
ahead.
Macedonia, and South Russell. For your your protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga and Lake,